I am back. Uganda bị yên người bây giờ đã có mau bị chết cả nhà ngập mà nghèo cái là tiền là cho nhiều là tiền đã có bẹt so any karma dong miari qua nhiều ghê ni any actual at the national platform pian mu seven dong nhime chọc nhime dong nen so ana dugu wera don iba wera kara Acholi tu toile pade wanong gin marwate kiwan wanong gin marwate pade ruenyo ki map kiji so nyama lone wa ko kwanye pe wera dwa ke parliament wera nen ngoma ti dok bena mero wachu enitian ma giki mati ka temu nomination chalan ordinary MP abi yele ki kero na weng from today onwards wang ma be minister nyo dano madid nyo vice president nyo prime minister igamenta mi Uganda mo kana dong romo so adugo re ba wera dwak nying pade nya gago nying east Acholi nya Acholi back to map of Uganda jemo wa mera tema duata pade ruenyo we need to attract NGOs we're improving the road infrastructure network. My pack make me what work ching community for work na ching government because we no jim makele chante kan cham chanai pade mirwa luen mirwa yab yo mirwa na service delivery o wait there for example the chara you put your run poko pingo ma or yat per incinerator en lu nyar dano so we be correcting ginen in the wing but ma pire take pade dugi map me Uganda and ana take to independent terdingo ka gin ma be side pagamenta chwao chalu gubernator chwako PDM ka gin maraj akwera chalu gin ma dege ma loka lara pe loka balale ke loka ngom donc beno wera waje chawane welo tika binu gan atika waje ke loak weng o tinge ma duong o tiere ka chwaka ka president pa jule welo ka binu gang miere ke wedi kal miere ke cherke fo buri doktoron we pu bal nyinga so ande ko matika mobilizing dano benana be mi fusu adek me chwale dano pa jule alega neno yo balai pa ola petit boya ke wek dong mutaka mo kunu ya dong nan ni mu seven tika biro pa de mu seven mi biro nan pero pa de pu abi huma donc mero jo ma twingi tego ma cerka waje ki mu seven ni pa de tiko man ene an ma wa mu seven ra ne donc lo ke nyaaye so wando ngati lede wa liye lo dong ko berin ko mo pere ka wa bi lo ki di cheng kit ene na ti very sure
well your message to the community first of all
ana lego dano ne walubu check me campaign peki bet ki lwen peki bet ki yet peki luong nying apmo water campaign ki molo la pipa kwari watika workera mago cheka de loka leb ki lok pa gino pe akere pian balo guma so ki beto ko ki molo gini bitum mabe roba pa kwari watika workera pero ba pa Abraham ki Jacob roba pa kwari weni mi 1700 1800 workera magi yapa yo ko berbe ate nano yo wa pola chembe well, so go wine pick me da gini bi bere mabe well doctor nen kongo diko nen mutaka pa joka no mo yo ni ting eno sign manini no do papa ko wate ka temutiji so bar watero mo
well doctor anana kar ma wonu cerro ka lopu gen ma president wajo ni ki riemba lalo kilo ba chuli won ke olanya gilbar abili mi police ober kimiro maku gendo o kwena ye
liye gwok pi gweliye gwok ma gweliye no gino mo yelo ko beti ma loko ni ago chim ki secretary general to duong ago chim ni kala mero wate ki president Museveni ma pia ke Acholi an bene ki bikara appointment ana nge ngom wate loko ne kai la ku ja ke mia be district pa de kan kong pi no gino mo so ana nge ngom wate loko ne level la male an wa so gwok pi gweliye lok eno no tumo jomo ga yo kulu wana yabo yo kulu dante ka mato fi
now aneno social media jomo ma palwor watching nen chal gi chwao opone na chel Christopher go you post ma chel pa Christopher ti yeki Museveni chigo choye ni in ungulanya Gilbert work politics mati chip ki politics ma popo ka eni gama yeni ngo
go berni balalo go kero chente makero du posta kun ki choy posta neni udonga to minister omona o wendolo ke lanya Gilbert gidegi amoni ni po amer ber ka chel ki balalo so benegitika dore kere gulu so Jimmy Weng en wana wajin men chente ma balalo meo en amero chieka chuli balalo kero chente campaign ni gitka ra million chela kul akulia chela chel Gimara sponsor ni wak dano jalo donga to dano jalo lanya Gilbert po dore parliament ana waje mere la bonluo ran lok peroma ni ana magi declaring ande wina kan pebe na be chere parliament gen ngeo nya gen ngeo kira tij mi achiel ene tongu dia mu dong
If you can summarize it, summary.
Member of Parliament, Aru County. I am a seasoned national politician with a national appeal. I am running as an independent because I feel this is the time that we should be objective. Whatever is right in the government, we shall support. Whatever is wrong in government, we will not support. I'm going to the national platform. This is the transition time. I have become of age. We have to navigate Uganda through the delicate transition process. And most importantly, but the Agago and Acholi should eat big in the current government and in the future governments. So we are there. This is not the time for learners. This is the time for penalty shootout for Uganda. You need to select your best players. If the Messis are there, you got to select them because we don't have to take chances. And some of us are tested. Our record of scoring penalties are unquestionable. It is 99% success. So we are going to the national platform. And lastly, I am mobilizing people to go for President Museveni's rally in Pajule in thousands. I am personally giving 2 fusos because there are certain negotiations we have to do politically. For example, Pajule Road is not on the budget for Tamake. These are some of the negotiations we can do behind the scene so that the Tamak Road reaches Pade town. We probably even need Pade municipality. And such a kind of negotiation needs the person adored, the person revered, the person respected by the president. You see, the president has been mentioning my name in his public rallies. It is because I am a useful person in the national politics. So I am back, and I'm coming back to Parliament.